Imagine the job description: one part problem solver with technical skills and the appreciation that each day will never be the same. That pretty much describes a day in the life for the Allstate Peterbilt mobile truck service crew.
I guess it's always kind of different. You never know what you're going to be working on. You kind of your own boss most days.
Allstate Peterbilt uses more than 30 mobile technicians in the Midwest, and the 1 or 2 person crew can travel with on-site diagnostic when needed. Tag along as Peterbilt factory-trained techs Nick Luna and Chris Atkinson prepare to hit the road. These two have never met a problem they couldn't solve.
Crane truck that's stuck in between a couple of railroad tracks. The outriggers are stuck out, so we are going to go replace the PTO and the pump on it.
Allstate Peterbilt's mobile truck service is unique. They bring Peterbilt certified technicians right to the location or job site to help diagnose problems quickly and perform repairs on site.
I mean, you got to be willing to put in like long days, and there's late nights, there's early mornings, and a lot of driving some days.
The open road beckons as they travel the Midwest, and horsepower suddenly meets wind power. Their challenge today? A truck that's stuck. A problem with the PTO is only part of the challenge, as the outriggers are also locked in place. Nick and Chris quickly assess the situation, which is near a major rail line, so towing is not a cost-effective option.
You're better off just replacing it and fixing it here. It's different because we're working on gravel and you can't really hop on a creeper.
In addition to their factory-trained skills, their other edge is their truck. A modern, high-tech garage on wheels. Nick and Chris have access to the latest tools, parts, and wrenches for any size problem. Our 1 or 2 person crews can travel with on-site diagnostic when needed.
Very wide range of things that we can do with this. I carry mostly all tools I need to do the job. Yeah, I can pretty much do anything we need to do.
Meantime, back at their home base near Rochester, a massive, big-time support system stands at the ready. A high-tech part system and a team of industry-trained experts are always on call. If it's an emergency truck repair situation, Allstate Peterbilt can have a team dispatched and on-site in as fast as 2 hours or less.
Oh, we got the PTO on.
Back in Iowa, Nick and Chris have removed the PTO and quickly replaced it, and the client is ready to get back to work. They pride themselves on customer service, quality, and responsiveness.
Yeah, you feel good about helping out a customer and knowing that this truck's been sitting here for a few days now waiting on parts, and they haven't been making any money. You can see there's a whole pile of stuff here that they got to get loaded onto the railroad cars, and it'll be nice knowing when we're done that they'll be able to do that. I just like the wide variety of work we get to do, and being able to kind of be our own boss.
Job well done, fellas, and back on the road for the Allstate Peterbilt mobile truck service team. It's what they do, and they're cued and ready for the next challenge.